Hi. Okay, so we're gonna make a skirt with a blanket yarn, and this is a thicker one. It's both say size 7, but this look very tiny, very small. This look thicker. You can decide to use either this side, which will be more perfect for the cold weather, or you can just decide to use this, which look cute. Alright, so to start, you first have to, so this is a knit. We are going to knit. It's a knitting. You start with your hip, your waist measurement. So alright, so the waist measurement for this was, it was 26. Okay, so if it's 26, when you chain your chain, you have to chain your chain should be 26, but it shouldn't be exact 26 since it will end up stretching. So you can instead of 26, you can take about 2 inches out. Don't worry about your waist, your hip, because it's going to stretch. So just go with taking maybe 1 inch out. Okay, so after your chain, I'm not done with this yet. So let's use this. After you get your chain, all you need to do is to, and I'm using this at size 10 hook. All right, so you just have to line it up this way. Everything gets straight, then you go this way. Okay, you insert it to the first chain here. Get in and pull it out. Okay, then leave it out. Go to the next chain, leave it out. So this is how you're going to keep repeating. You're going to keep repeating it till you get to the last end. Leave it out. Don't worry, it's not gonna come up. Just stay in place. Okay. Leave it out. Leave it out. Not too loose. You don't need the holes to be too open. So leave it out. So we're knitting. And make sure you follow. Make sure you. Let me see if we are following. Yeah, we are following. Make sure it doesn't keep messing up. Everything should follow. Okay. It's very easy, but it looks something else from the start, and it doesn't look like a skirt, but it's gonna shape itself. Okay. All right, so we got to the last end. Okay, that's how you do it. So this second row, the chain was the first. This is second. The third row, you go to your first. This is the first one we started from. You go in, leave it out, go in, leave it out. So this what you're just going to repeat the same thing. When you get to the last one, you leave it, you go to the next one. That's how we keep doing it. So go in, pull it out, go in, pull it out. So these are starting, and this is the ending. You go round to the end, you jump to the starting, you come to the end. So you keep going round in circles, keep going round in circles. But even though you're going round in circles, you always have to keep watch to make sure you don't mess up with this one. Some of them can just move a little bit in. You have to pull it out and go in and bring it up. Okay. So there's more knitting than crocheting. We need knitting. Okay, so you go in, bring it out. So that's how you're just gonna keep repeating. It's so easy. Keep repeating this, repeating the same row. So the more you keep repeating, that's how you're gonna get this, and it's gonna shape itself. It's gonna give you that shape. Don't worry if you keep it from beginning. It look a little bit mess. It doesn't look like in shape, but keep doing, and everything gonna fall in place. All right. So okay, let me use this. So that's the same way I did, and I got up to this. It's so easy. So I mean, since it's very easy, I'm not gonna go on each round with you. Okay, if not, it's gonna look like I keep repeating myself, because it's gonna repeat itself, the same thing. Nothing changed. All the rows are the same thing that you have to keep doing. So you get to the length that you want. As I said, you can decide to use these tiny ones. There's another one that look a little bit thicker than this, which I prefer. Or you can go in for the thick one, which is also okay. At the end, you're gonna come out with the same skirt shape. Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. You're gonna get. All right, so let me show you the thicker one that I use, and I use 100% polyester. Okay. So with this, I got to the end. I know it's big. It is big. And I'm using the shortest stand. My stand is not that tall, so it's not showing everything. Okay, so I got this as the end. So when I'm done with the length. This is the length that I want. So since I'm done, this is the last end. This is the end. I'm gonna start. So since I got to the end, let's just use the end to, you can decide to use the end, or you can just go to the next one, which no, let's use the end. So I'm gonna go in here. This is how I ended. I'm gonna go in here and use the same hook in here. Yarn over, pull it out, and pull it out in here. That means I'm ending everything. I'm done. I'm gonna use the same thing here. Get in here, yarn over, and pull it out. That's how you're going to end. Yarn over and pull it out. Get in here, yarn over and pull it out. Get in here. So it's a very easy skirt, very easy. Even though it looks easy, when you done with it, it looks so nice. Okay. And pull it out. So look, everything is unfolding, giving it quite a bit shape at the end. Okay. get in here. Okay. Alright, so get to the end, and I'll walk you through on how to add the I'm gonna add some of the same I'm gonna add this with the hanging part at the side of the skirt. When you're done, we go over there. I'll catch up with you. So get it done, and let's add it, attach that to the side. All right, so since we got we are at the end of it, fixing this is just how you feel like. It shouldn't be any kind of different way to do it. Just fix it anyhow you feel like would be okay. So as for me, I don't want to do it any big deal. It's not gonna be a big deal, no big deal. You can either tie a knot so it doesn't come up. You can either do it this way, or you can either go this way. However you feel is gonna be okay for you. I'm not sure if you saw that, but I hope everything was clear. Or you can just take it out and leave it. Just get it secured. If you want to get it well secured, that is also okay. All right, and we're done with it. This is the thicker size. I would say this size should either be a size 9, but it shows a size 7. So maybe they are not right. Maybe I'm right. I'm not sure. But you can decide to use the other size, which is this size. And when you use this side, to fix this one, you just have to you can either form it in the form of a chain, or you can either do it 3 of it and just get it more like a braid. Just braid it. If you want, you can just braid it, or if you don't want to braid it, just a chain should do, because this is too tiny. So get it braided, or just. All right, thank you for watching. Bye. See you. Share, like, subscribe.